Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto Watch 40 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe right on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. And in settings you should see the language option. You can tap on it and now you should see the list of languages. Scroll through the list, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you select the language, tap on yes to confirm and apply it. As you can see, the language was applied, and of course once you're done you can press the side button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.